Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get 2-time ghost, full guide. Start by checking your build for cooldown timers and action combos. Prioritize movement perks and a primary ability that resets on use. Combine dash or blink with an ability that records action history, then time your second activation to replay both actions consecutively. Practice the timing in a safe area until it feels consistent and smooth for combat situations. 2-time ghost depends on a narrow window where actions are recorded and then replayed. Know that the system prioritizes distinct ability types and enforces a strict order. You should focus on minimizing interruptions like stuns or terrain effects that cancel the recording. Use reliable abilities with consistent timing and avoid conditional effects that may overwrite the 2-action buffer, and always test combos in varied scenarios to learn edge cases and timing. Start simple and build muscle memory by repeating the same 2-action combo until it becomes natural. Focus on one reliable ability pair and refine the timing. Invest in cooldown reduction and movement perks to give yourself more leeway, and schedule short practice rounds to test variations. Recording your sessions helps identify small timing errors and external interruptions, so you can adjust your positioning and inputs for consistent 2-time ghost triggers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.